is the most appalling genocide in my lifetime going on right now as I speak, and this is the least I can do is to turn out to demonstrations like this to show my support for those who are being massacred, and to demand that my government stops selling arms to Israel and calls for a ceasefire immediately.
Well, I'm really sad to see that nothing has happened to stop what's going on in Israel. I think America needs to step up and the West needs to step up.
Thank you very much.